Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. So let's revisit the Super Titanium Citizen Eco Drive watch. I just love this watch. It's my everyday watch. I wear it every day. It looks stunning on the hand, and especially when you're wearing a formal shirt, it looks very nice. I was sitting in a waiting room doing nothing. I had so much time with me. The lighting was so nice that the watch was looking very beautiful and stunning. So I just took my phone and shot this footage just for you guys. I hope you like this video. Also guys, check out the watch in two different lighting conditions, yellow light and white light, and see how the watch looks different in both the lighting conditions. So guys, if you like this video, stay tuned for the long-term review of this watch coming up very soon. Hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and as always guys, enjoy and have a nice day.